Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to tell you one security setting, that is lockdown mode, how to activate that mode and what is the benefit of that mode in Samsung Mobile. If you like the video after knowing after watching this, please do consider to subscribe this channel and please watch this video till end. That not wasting much of your time, just coming to the point here, this is power off button. When you are pressing it for a quite long time, these three will appear: power off, restart and emergency mode. Now if you are seeing the fourth icon, how will you see the fourth icon, what is the fourth icon, and what are the benefits of that icon? Just go to the setting, go to the lock screen, secure lock setting, enter the pattern, and here show lockdown options. It will display a power button option that turns off smart lock, biometric unlock and notifications on the lock screen. Just turn it on. Now come out, long press the fourth option has been activated. So now what is the function of this? I will tell you. Suppose you are coming out, okay, and just you are locking this by this power, short pressing this power button, it has been locked, and now you are trying to unlock. This fingerprint icon will appear here. If you are traveling and your mobile is in open area, anybody can unlock your phone by using your thumb or fingerprint impressions. So in that case we have to think that if there is any option available, yes, that is that option, lockdown mode. Just long press it, lockdown mode. Now it is locked by lockdown mode. Now just when it will go slide here, you will not able to find that fingerprint option. This is the benefit of lockdown mode. Only that person who knows the pattern can enter in this mobile. So this is what I wanted to tell in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.